with you, Matt? What are you subbing all these into, please? What equation are we subbing these into? Yeah. Thank you, Matt. Okay, that's standard form. We could use any equation. That one's nicest for us, okay, because you can get everything in terms of two variables there, okay? All right, can I get another brave soul to tell me how to continue next? Yeah, go ahead.
So you take one of the points and you said the x and y values into the one.
Good. Okay, so we use 0 and 5 first.
So it would be 5 is equal to a bracket 0 squared plus b bracket 0 squared, or 0 plus c.
So c equals 5. Okay, great. No, it is c equals 5, that's fine. Okay. Okay, somebody brave give me the next equation, please. Olivia, go ahead.
You can pick the 1, -2, and 8.
Yeah.
So you sub in the -2 for the y, or sorry, for the x, and the 8 for the y.
Great.
And then the 5 for the c. So it would be 8 equals 4a minus 2b plus 5.
Great.
And then you move the 5 over.
Wait, what else up here? How do we? You move the 5 over, we get 3 equals 4a minus 2b. And if you want to do back like grade 10 and like call this equation 1 and all that sort of stuff like you did back in grade 10, feel free. Okay, because there's a lot going on for this question. You want to try and keep yourself as organized as possible. Even for me as your teacher, I use 3 different colors because for me it's easiest to see what equation goes with what by color. If you don't have 3 color pencils, that probably makes sense. Okay, so organize it however you need to, either with arrows like, or you know what I mean, 3 different sections of your page or whatever you need to do. Okay, can I have a third volunteer tell me the next step? Yeah, go ahead. Great. Okay, so we'll do 5 comma -11. We should hopefully get -11 equals a times 5 squared plus b times 5 plus 5. It changes to -11 equals 25a plus 5b plus 5. -16 equals 25a plus 5b. Okay, now I'm asking this my grade 10s have started substitution, okay, which is great, okay, because I'm teaching you guys the same thing as them at this point. And if they get to these, they get an equation, I guess they'll get all confused. Because I asked them, what variable should we substitute here? What is probably the one that makes the most sense to use here?
The green.
Go ahead.
The green one, you can bring the -2b over and make it positive and then divide it.
Right, why did you choose to use this b right here? Go ahead, why did you choose to use this one?
Because 2 and 4 kind of look nice.
2 and 4 kind of look nice, definitely. The other reason is probably it's the smallest as well too. Okay, right? Because 5 and 25 go together, but 16 over 5 is going to be a messy fraction. So either one will work. Okay, right? But I'm with you. I'd probably use this one here. So I'm going to call this 2b plus 2b equals 4a minus 3. So b equals 2a minus 3 over 2. That's probably. You get that right? I think that's right. That one probably makes the most sense. It could work with the other one. Okay. Can someone else tell me what I do next, please? Please be brave. The people who haven't raised their hand yet. Go ahead. Good. So this turns into -16 equals 25a plus 5 bracket 2a minus 3 over 2b. Now, you guys are grade 11 students. Okay? Do not be afraid of a 3 over 2. All right, you guys can handle that as algebra. Don't worry about it. Okay, fractions you guys can deal with. All right, so this turns into -16 equals 25 plus 10a minus 15 over 2. Does that look great? We're good? I missed an a. Now hopefully it looks better. 25a. Now it looks better, I think. Now that looks better? Okay, great. So I'm going to call this -32 over 2, 15 over 2. Can somebody please tell me what just happened for those two steps. So share with the class and translate, because I got lost there for a minute. What did I just do there? What did I do? Very good. Okay. And you don't have to do that step right there. I always find it easiest to do it together just because you have that fraction, right? So this should be hopefully negative 17 over 2. Does somebody have this answer on the page, I hope? Does anyone have this answer on the page? I got that? Alright, so mark right there. So A should be negative 17 over 70, yeah. Look. Okay, don't worry about fractions if you get that on your test. Try and do nicer numbers on your test, okay? But that's not.
So do you first like sub in all the points and then you get the equation and then whatever equation is nicer you sub in?
Yes. So whatever equation of these two is sort of a nicer one, then you have to isolate, right? So this one here generally, like 2 and 4, like beautifully, like we're going to simplify out. If this one were to end up with a nice number like 4 or 5 or like 4 or 6 or something even, that would work out perfectly then, right? And we could have subbed back in over there. Yeah, question? From here to here, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I did was, we had 3 equals 4a minus 2b, right? So we said we wanted to isolate 2b, so I just brought it over here so it'd be positive. And then I took this 3 over here and I made a negative. So I brought the b to the left and I brought the 3 to the right. So this like negative 2b on the right, sorry, I'm going to move up a little bit. Sorry. See you ducking over somebody's head here. So I did negative 2b on the right, change to be positive 2b on the left, and then 3 on the right. 3 on the left turned to negative 3 on the right. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 to get b minus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, when you put b, I don't like that. Did you put it in the b equals 4a minus 2b? Did you put the b in there as well?
No. Now, okay, yeah, it has to be in the other equation, because it would have been nice, because this is a lot easier, it looks like small. But the problem is, you would have got 0 equals 0, right? Because if you isolate one variable and then sub back into the same equation, everything's going to cancel out, right? So, yeah. Okay, so we're going to cross. So to get my b then, and thank you for telling me to move this down, so I'll do it again here. So b equals 2 times negative 17, separate minus 3 over 2. Yeah. That's right, I started to keep making those noises. Okay, so yeah, okay. So I got negative 139 over 70, is that right? Yeah. Okay, so y equals negative 17 over 78, so x squared. Minus 139 over 70x plus 5. On tomorrow's test, you may have like a 0.5 or something in it, but don't think it is for fractions like that. Those are all universal level students, so you should be able to handle it divided by 70 without too much difficulty, okay? But if you can't, the numbers will be relatively nice tomorrow. Okay, on your assignment, that's going to pick this one in my head. That's okay, right? But it should be relatively, you should be able to handle it too. Nicole, how are you feeling? Good, very good. All right, what else do you guys want to go through? Have fun with just enough fact stuff, if you don't mind, just enough fact stuff. And just an algebra to make sure life is good. I'll get your information for next one, just enough facts, just this stuff here, okay? So I'm going to leave it on the board for a second. I'm going to hit stop on the video and then we'll come